Dear students, today we are going to study Lesson 1, the sentence. Here a table is given. If we read a first group of words, An hour I met ago her, we can see that this group of words does not make any sense. If we arrange the same words in a proper order, we get a sentence that is, I met her an hour ago. So, dear children, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. A sentence must have a verb in it. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Now, let us learn about phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is also a group of words that makes a partial or incomplete sense. For example, all of a sudden. This group of words just gives some idea about something, but it does not make a complete sense. It needs some more words to complete its meaning. A phrase is different from a sentence because it does not have capital letters, it does not have punctuation marks, it does not have a verb. So, we see that a phrase does not make complete sense. Now, let us discuss about subject and predicate. Every sentence is made up of two parts. The first one is the subject and the second is the predicate. The subject is the person, animal, or thing we speak about in a sentence. The predicate is what we say about the subject and it also contains a verb in it. Dear students, the way to find out the subject in a sentence is to find the verb first of all and ask the question who or what. For example, we went on a picnic. In this sentence, went is the verb. And if we ask the question, who went? We get the answer, we. So, we is the subject in this sentence. Remember that the helping verbs is am, are, was, were, have, etc. will always be the part of the predicate. Objects of the verb. Let us learn how to find out an object of the verb. So far, we studied about the sentence. It is having two parts, that is, the subject and the predicate. Each sentence is having verb in it and it is the part of the predicate. Now we are going to learn how to find out an object of the verb in a sentence. First of all, we should know what is the subject in a sentence. Then we should find the verb in a sentence. To find out the object of the verb, ask the question what or whom after the verb. We will get another noun as an answer. For example, Radharani plays cricket. In this sentence, Radharani is the subject. Plays is the verb. Now, let us ask a question after the verb, what or whom. Radharani plays what? The answer we get cricket. Radha Rani plays cricket. Cricket is the answer. After getting the answer, we must compare our answer with the subject. If it is something different from the subject, we say our answer is the object of the verb. Here, the answer cricket and the subject Radha Rani are completely different from each other. So we can say that the answer cricket is the object of the verb. Another example, the man looks ill. In this sentence, the man is the subject. Looks is the verb. If we ask the question, the man looks what? We get the answer, ill. Here the word ill tells us something about the subject itself and does not refer to somebody or something that is different and separate from the subject. So, the word ill is not really an object of the verb. Thank you.